This Easter ornament is made with a real egg. It doesn't require any artistic skill and uses just a few basic supplies, so let me show you how to make it. For this project, you will need a napkin or tissue with designs, an egg, scissors, tape, a thumbtack, something long and skinny like a skewer, white tissue paper, a paintbrush, acrylic paint in the color of the background of your napkin or tissue, small rhinestones, craft glue, ribbon, and a bead. The first step is to hollow out your egg. Start by putting a piece of tape on each end of the egg. Then use a thumbtack to poke a small hole in the top of the egg, in the pointier end of the egg, and then make a larger hole in the bottom of the egg so that the egg yolk can come out. To make a larger hole, just keep poking in the thumbtack at the edges of the hole. Be patient and don't try to widen it too much at one time. The tape keeps the egg from cracking while you're doing this process, but you still need to be careful. Remove the tape from the holes. Use a long skinny object to break up the egg inside the shell. Rinse the egg really well, and I didn't film this part, but what you're going to do is blow into the small hole on the top and the egg will come out of the bottom of the egg. You can put a bowl underneath it to catch it if you want to use the egg for something. When all the egg yolk is out, rinse your egg thoroughly with water and let it dry. You want to cover up the bigger hole on the bottom of the egg, so you can paint some Mod Podge all around the hole and then use a small square of tissue paper and stick that on to cover the hole. I use 2 or 3 layers to make it strong. You don't need to cover the smaller hole on the top of the egg. Once the Mod Podge and tissue are dry, paint your egg with acrylic paint. Use whatever color the background of your napkin or tissue paper is to make it easier. While the paint is drying, if you're using a napkin, separate the very top layer with the designs on it. If you're using tissue or a thin wrapping paper, you won't need to do this step. Cut out the designs you want to place on your egg. If you've painted the egg the same background color as your napkin or tissue paper, then you don't have to cut too carefully because the background will blend in. Do cut as close as you can though, leaving just the finest details uncut. Once everything is cut out, it's time to apply the designs to your egg. Start with small sections of the egg and apply a thin coat of Mod Podge. Stick your design on and paint a thin coat of Mod Podge over the top of the design. If you get any bubbles or wrinkles, get your finger wet with the Mod Podge and then you can smooth out the design. Don't try and do it with your finger dry because you could tear the design. Continue working in small sections around the egg. Add flat-backed rhinestones as you go. Use the Mod Podge like glue to make a pretty large blob on the egg and then stick the rhinestone in. Cut a piece of ribbon about 12 inches long and then squeeze a thin line of glue all the way around the egg. Press the halfway point of the ribbon onto the bottom of the egg and then bring the sides of the ribbon up around the egg, stopping at the top. When the glue is set, thread a bead onto the 2 ends of the ribbon. Depending on your bead, if it's got a smaller hole like mine, I'm going to cut each of the ribbon ends into a point and then just thread one side at a time. Put a dab of glue on the very top of the egg and make sure that the ribbon is stuck down and the bead is securely in place. Tie the two ends of the ribbon together at the top. Trim the ends if necessary, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.